Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and this little MAYBESTA lapel microphone has been a total game changer for me in my video content creating. I live in a town that experiences a lot of high winds. In fact, right now it is quite windy outside, and I hear a lot of creaking of the house. My husband is in his office next to me talking, but I bet you can't hear any of that, can you? That's because when I use this microphone, it only picks up on my voice. Any distracting background noises are filtered out, which is perfect for my video creating. I totally enjoy the fact that it is so simple to use too. The microphone comes with a little receiver that I simply plug into the lightning port on my iPhone. There's a power button on the microphone, and when I press it, the little light at the front of the microphone turns green, which lets me know that it is in contact with the receiver and it is ready to use. I think this microphone is also fairly discreet, which is also important to me when I'm making my videos. It simply clips on to the lapel of whatever shirt I'm wearing, and depending on the color of my shirt and the style of my shirt, sometimes it is barely noticeable at all. I have really benefited from using this little microphone for creating my videos. It filters out any background noise, and it provides great voice quality in my videos too. And that's my point of view.